Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to delete your Bumble account. So let's get started. At first, let's go to the app Bumble. We need to use mobile number here. So let's go for mobile number and type your number here. And to verify, we need to get a code. So let's click on OK. So here it is. Now we have to enable the location. Here we need to give similar pose and take a photo, and our photo here and our profile picture should be matching. Then click on take my photo. So we are in Bumble interface now. Now we need to click on this profile icon in the bottom left corner. So let's tap on this and click on settings in the top right corner. And if we scroll down, we can see this option called delete account. So let's tap on this. And you can get the region or simply click on others and click on delete account. Now we need to type delete here and click on confirm. So this is it. Now our Bumble account is finally deleted. So this is all we need to do to delete Bumble account. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.